Did you know about a girl who got tight braids for the first time? She wanted to impress a guy she liked, and one day her friends convinced her to try braids. She agreed without thinking twice. 8 hours in the chair, the stylist pulled each strand so tight that her scalp stretched, her forehead lifted, and her face looked different. When she left the salon and looked in the mirror, a completely different girl was staring back at her. Brighter, more noticeable. It gave her confidence. She felt irresistible. At school, everyone turned to look. The guy she liked finally noticed her, and they quickly started dating. The braids lasted a month. Her scalp began to itch badly. The edges started to frizz, but she didn't take them out. One day, the guy gently suggested that maybe it was time to remove the braids and change her look. That's when she decided it was time. She took them out at home one evening and was shocked. Her hair stuck out in all directions, frizzy and unmanageable. The next day at school, the guy looked at her differently, and that same evening, he texted that they probably weren't right for each other. The very next day, she went back to the salon. She changed for him, but it still wasn't enough. Sometimes what changes you on the outside reveals who you are on the inside.